What's up? It is Shelby. If you're new to my channel, how are you? What's up? I'm going to be using some prosthetic devil horns that I made in this tutorial, and I am also making a video about how I made those horns. So I'll link that video down below or here on the screen if you're interested in learning how to make some really easy devil horns. It's a really easy Halloween costume, and they also have horns similar to this at Party City and Spirit Halloween, but these are the ones I made. They're these little tiny horns, and I colored them purple. I'm gonna take off this wig because it's kind of hard to do your makeup when you have a heck ton of hair on top of your head. So I'm just gonna take this thing off and we will get started. So for this tutorial, I'm also going to be trying out some colored contacts. I just really want to take my looks to the next level. So I bought some colored contacts, and the website I bought them from had a 3 for 2 special going on right now. I'll link the company I bought them from down below if I like them after I try them out today. On my face right now, I already have foundation and powder, maybe a little bit of contour. I really don't remember. But for the majority of this look, I'm going to be using some deeper purples, and the main one I like is from NYX in the color, let's see, Skinny Dip, and it's one of their nude matte eyeshadows. And I just really freaking like this one. I've had this one for years, gotten several new ones throughout the years. I think it's really nice for bruising too, so it's just like, it's a very versatile color. You can use it in a lot of different looks. So I'm just going to be taking that purple, and I kind of want to do very sharp contour lines all throughout my face in dark purples. That's the look I'm going for. So I'm just going to start on my nose, and we're just going to contour that bad boy. I'm just kind of bringing it up into my eyebrow area. So I'm just making my nose look snatched, my friends. I want some really sharp contouring going on. Now I feel like this would be a really easy Halloween costume, and you can make it look pretty freaking dope. I've been filming quite a bit recently, more than I ever have consecutively, and the past 2 days I've been taking a break, just kind of making prosthetics and prepping for bigger looks that I'm doing. I don't know, 31 videos is a lot to do, so I've been pre-filming most of my videos. I'm going to be doing some in October, but I am going to be working at a Halloween haunted attraction, so I don't have much time during October to be doing a makeup look every day, so I don't know if that's cheating, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But then I'm just going to be contouring my face. I'm going along my cheekbones and then kind of bringing the color down towards my chin. And then I'm going to be doing some contour in the same purple on my forehead. But this year on Halloween, I'm going to be working, like I said, at the haunted attraction. I guess I'll do a video about where I'll be working. I don't really want to talk about it quite yet. I haven't even started yet. Our opening weekend is this Friday when I'm filming this. But I'll definitely do some videos of like day in the life when I'm working there, because I think that'd be interesting. But I'll be working on Halloween this year, so I'm not sure if I'm even going to be able to really dress up this year. Last year during Halloween, I was living in Hawaii, so it was the first year I was ever not at home for Halloween. My brother's birthday is on Halloween, so it's always been like a big holiday in my family. Then I'm just taking a black, and I am just brushing that in on my cheekbones. I feel like it looks so much more intense on camera. I definitely have the exposure down a little bit because in person it's not that dark. I'm gonna be doing the same thing on my forehead, just taking the black and just blending it out, getting those contours. I remember the first Halloween where I wore special effects makeup. I think it was like Halloween my freshman year of high school. I was trick-or-treating with my friend and her boyfriend and the boy's friend's best friend who I liked. So it was kind of a double date. I'm trying to find my makeup brush. I keep losing everything. Ah! Where the heck did I put that? Oh, I found it. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some more of that black and I'm just going to be darkening up my nose contour, mainly just on the areas near my eyes, and then also darkening up my eye makeup. So I'm basically just creating shadows all over my face to give my face a more sunken in effect.
Shelby?
Yes.
Dinner's upstairs. You filming?
Yeah. So then I'm just darkening up my Cupid's bow, creating those shadows, and then I'm going to be taking my purple I've been using the most and going under my lips. And I'm just creating a shadow there. The next step I'm doing is I'm just taking that black again and I'm going to get it a little bit more condensed on a smaller brush and go into the corners of my eyes. So now that I have that black on the corners of my eyes, I'm just taking the same brush I've been using and blending it out a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is attaching my double horns. So I just made the horns and I stuffed them full of cotton to kind of help them keep their shape. But I have a lot of latex around the side of the horn. I don't know if you can see that. It's just kind of like extra latex so I can attach it easier. But I definitely don't need it all. So I'm just going to cut off some of the latex that is around it. So I'm just going to hold the horns up to my face and kind of figure out where I want them. And then I'm going to be using spirit gum to attach the horns to my face. I could use liquid latex, but I just want to make sure that they stay on really well and aren't flying everywhere. So I am just putting the latex, putting the frickin' spirit gum all on the devil horns. And then I'm just gonna hold that devil horn down as it sticks to my face. Sometimes I'll make little tiny skin flaps around the base of them when sculpting them to kind of make it look like they're coming out of my skin. But for these I didn't, and I'm going to add that part on after I stick them down. And then I'm doing the next one. So I'm just doing the same process, cutting off the extra latex around the base and going from there. So I want these horns to look like they are popping out of my face and just pushing the skin, and it's just being real gross. So I'm taking my liquid latex and cotton balls and just kind of wrapping it around the base of the horns. I need to add some more liquid latex. And I'm just getting the liquid latex on my fingers and shaping that cotton ball. Now while that cotton and latex is a little bit wet still, I'm going to be taking my tweezers and just kind of pulling at it. And now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to let the cotton balls and latex dry a little bit until I go over them with foundation. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I just am going to pop in my colored contacts, put on my wig, and add the fake blood. And I'll be right back for the big reveal of how this look turned out.
In paradise, I suppose, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be.
If you want to see more videos like this during the whole month of October, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below other videos you guys would like to see, and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, peace out my dudes.